I'm Tom Johnson. I'm the Director of Plant Operations at Northwest Community Hospital in Arlington Heights, Illinois. At Northwest Community Hospital, we kept the name community in our hospital because we feel that we are part of the community, and that includes being energy responsible, environmentally responsible. So energy management is actually one of our core values. We have a combined heat and power plant. We have a central utility plant, and I'm fortunate to have a very passionate staff and technically competent and bosses, VPs that understand rate of return, that my saving money on energy can go directly to the bottom line and provide more patient care. One of the challenges for us is in the plant operations side is we're seen as a cost center rather than a revenue generator. And for a hospital, a typical margin in a good year is 4%. Well, that means for every dollar I save on energy, it's the equivalent of generating $25 worth of new business. And when I propose energy management and energy efficiency to the C-suite as a revenue producer in that aspect, I get a lot more buy-in. I really get their attention, because generating $25 worth of business to generate $4 in healthcare is tough. And if I can do it on the energy side, we're not reducing any FTEs, we're not cutting any services, I'm just being more efficient with our energy dollars. We recently partnered with EnerNOC for the Efficiency Smart program, and that's been a huge win for us, where we've identified opportunities where we could get additional savings, either through equipment adjustment, operating expense items, and then capital expense. But where we work well with EnerNOC is we identify those opportunities, and then I bring it to my team and we look to operationalize it, and that's the key piece. Our day surgery unit is closed on the weekends. EnerNOC identified the opportunity to turn off those air handlers. But my chief engineer came back and said, well, if we turn off those air handlers, then on startup on Monday morning, startup is when you're more likely to throw a belt or have something go wrong with the unit. And if we delay surgeries, there's an impact to the patients, plus that's a revenue producer. So we operationalize it by looking at maybe we put it on VFDs and start it up slowly and just partially shut it down on the weekends. So it's taking EnerNOC's expertise and then bringing it to my staff for the operationalizing of it, and to see what are the little tweaks and peaks that we need to do to put those things into practice. With us being in a community hospital, the community looks for us to do things responsibly, to take good care of our patients, but to do it efficiently. And for me, that's a big challenge because there's limited dollars. I will never have enough capital and operating dollars or time to do everything I want to do. So I actually have to be energy efficient with my energy efficiency. And having a partner like EnerNOC helps me prioritize. In fact, actually our scorecard, our monthly scorecard, does prioritize it. So that helps me focus my energies where they need to go. And we like to highlight those kind of things for the community. When we get our LEED Gold certification for our new tower, it's going to be a huge community event as well.